Okay, we're done.
Does anybody not know the name of this bike?
You can leave now.
And when I found the original one in Norway and I fell in love with the XRV 750, I shipped it back home. People were messaging me saying, if you need any help, I've got parts.
Let's give him a huge cheer as he comes back into the arena, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Adam Riemann, and the real star of the show, the Honda Africa Twin Iron Horse. We're getting round onto the logs. Beautifully done. My favourite bit is the way the big old indicators flap like they're trying to take off when he goes off the back of the logs there. He's coming back for another look. Beautiful riding skill there. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a massive round of applause. Mr. Adam Riemann. You said you were going to be gentle.
I wasn't going to be that guy that put it down. No, it really, I put 48mm KYB front end in it, Island shock, otherwise it's standard. This motor clicked over 100,000 Ks in Ireland 4 days ago, completely stock. Can I just fire it back at the crowd? Can you put the mic down near the motor? Yeah, it's a work of art from that era of rally, and yeah, I'm really proud of it because I landed in London 10 days ago, the day before I arrived on the plane, pulled it out of the crate, and I did 4,500